Let's face it, keeping track of your hours on the road can feel like running a marathon in a swamp while juggling paperwork. It's frustrating, tedious, and no one's handing out a medal at the end. You've got enough on your plate without worrying about filling out tedious logs, trying to remember every stop and start and every state line. Miss an entry and suddenly you're knee-deep with inspections, more paperwork and potential fines. It's like trying to fix a flat tire with a spoon. It just doesn't work. What if compliance was easy? With BrightOrder's electronic logging devices, or ELDs, all that logging gets done for you automatically. Your hours, your vehicle data, everything for you. It's tracked in real time and uploaded straight to the cloud. That means no more lost logs, no more oops, did I write that down? And definitely no more spoons. Just plug in and forget about it. And rest assured that your data is safe, and you can avoid all that paperwork nightmare and save some of your spoons for moments that matter to you. Let BrightOrder's ELDs handle the tedious stuff so you can keep trucking without the hassle. Ready to make your life easier? Visit brightorder.com/solutions and let's get you rolling.